How to add free shipping over X amount in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. So first you simply just want to log into your Shopify admin and click on the settings from the bottom left corner. And then you simply just want to click on shipping and delivery. Now you're going to click on the general profile because I have two different profiles here, so I'm just going to click on general. And we are just going to have for me, I have two different zones, the domestic one and the international one. You may have set up more zones, but otherwise it's just going to work the same for any zone, whether it's domestic, international, or specific zone that you have created. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it in the international here, for example, and I'm just going to click on add shipping option. Again, you have it here under the domestic as well, so it doesn't really make a difference. Just click on add shipping option. And here you're just going to go ahead and give it a name. So for example, here I just set it up to be free shipping over $50. This is again just a name. So we just want to change the rate type to become order amount. And we want to set up the minimum to be whatever we want it to be. So we set $50 here, but this time I have AED as the currency. So I'll just, basically you would want to calculate exactly what that is, but I'm just going to throw a random number here. Basically, what this means is that if they spend 150 AED, they're going to get a free shipping because the price here is set as 0. And the transit time, I'm just going to leave it to random one here because this is just a sample one or example. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on done. And this is pretty much all we need to do. Now, what this basically means is that if they order anything up above 150 AED, they're going to get free shipping. Otherwise, they're going to be charged the default amount. Now, this is only going to work for the international zone. So if you want it to work also for the domestic one or any other ones, you simply just want to, again, do add shipping option and repeat the process for all the different zones that you have. With that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.